Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enhance eyes on your portraits to make them look outstanding. Make a new layer, choose the brush, make sure it's not hard, 100% opacity, and it's white, pure white. Just make sure it's white. Get here and simply paint, make a dot like this, like a dot. 2 dots. So now use a eraser tool, make sure it's soft again, and simply erase all the white things from the lashes, like here. Yeah. And also a bit here because it has shadows as well. Also remove all the white here and here. Looks scary, right? But now, go to blending modes here. You're in normal. Choose overlay. Boom. Looks great. If you want to enhance this effect, you can just Command J, double click, double the effect, like this. You can play with opacity. Like, it can be harder, it can be smoother. But just look at these colors. So vibrant, so cool. So that's it.